Hello, welcome to physics. All right, so we are going to look at an exam question based on this heading, pressure and energy changes. Okay, so get your pen, get your book, and let's get started. So this is the question. Okay, as you can see from here, and it carries 6 marks. The question carries 6 marks. Okay, so let's start. Let me just zoom. Okay, so I want you to pay particular attention. This is an exam question, and you'll be glad that you did. Okay, so this is the question. Figure 8.1 shows below shows a garden pond containing a small fountain. So water fountain here. Okay, so this is a pond, water inlet, all right, electric pump. So this is a pump, water comes in and then water is flushed out there. This is a pond. Okay, A, the pressure of the water increases with the depth. This water here, the pressure increases as you go down. Okay, that's what the statement says. Now explain the meaning of pressure. How many marks? 2 marks. I mean 1 mark. Explain the meaning of pressure. Okay, so pressure is the force, is the force acting per unit area on a surface. Okay, so this is the simple definition. All right, so it's given by this formula. P is equal to F over A. So this is the simple formula. Okay, where P stands for pressure, and then F stands for force, and then A stands for area. Okay, so this is how you answer the first one. Second part of the question, explain why the pressure below the water surface increases with the depth. How many marks? 2 marks. Okay, so as depth increases, there is more water above the water, above the point. Okay, so what happens? The weight of this extra layer or extra water exerts a greater force. Where on the lower layers, on the lower layers. So we're explaining why the pressure below the water surface increases with depth. So as the depth increases, there is more water above. Okay, there is more water above. Okay, sorry about that. More water above. Okay, more water above the point. The weight of this extra water exerts a greater force on the lower layers. This is how the pressure increases below the water surface, okay, with the depth. Okay, let me just write this properly. Okay, question B. Describe energy changes that occur within the pump. So this pump here, what energy changes as water enters and then flushes out there? What energy changes takes place? How many marks? You have 3 marks there. Okay, so firstly, there is the electrical energy. Electric energy Okay, so there's electric energy which changes to kinetic energy or mechanical energy as the motor rotates. Okay, as the motor rotates. So electric energy, then kinetic, combined mechanical energy as the motor rotates. This is what is happening here. Okay, so there is the electric energy which is transferred to kinetic or mechanical energy as the motor rotates. Okay, second point. So the moving pump, we're going to say the moving pump transfers energy to the water, giving the water kinetic energy as it moves up. Okay, and you can also say some energy also is transformed into sound energy and heat energy. Okay, so basically this is how you answer this question. Then you have your 6 marks.